Usihlalo wekomishoni yamasiko nenkolo uMkhwanazi-Xaluva uthi uza kuthatha amanyathelo omthetho ngakubefundisi abenza izityholo ezingoyonyani ngakule komishoni. UXaluva woleke ngelithi naye buqu sekhe wothuso wafumana izigrogriso. Utyatyadule wathi kungoku nje woyikela ubomi bakhe.
Prophet Motsoeneng accuses me of being a liar. In that I said he went to heaven and took pictures of heaven, and that he said that Jesus has a hot Xhosa wife.
Ikomishana elawula ukusebenza kwamabandla CRL namhlanje iphinde yahlonza isithangami nabezindaba izoqinisekisa abemthombo yezokwazisa ngezinyathelo ezinqala ezizothathwa zithathelwa abaholi bamabandla abadukisa abantu ngevese.
This is an unprecedented situation, and we felt that we needed the commissioners to be present where some of the issues affect commissioners at a personal level.
Umfundisi wedumela ngelikaMboro Paseka Motsoeneng, umfundisi uGadebe, kanjalo noPastor Chris, yibona ababhekene nokusobozelwa ingalo yomthetho. Kulandela ukuthi bephumele esidlangalaleni besongela usihlalo wale komishana. Yize noma benamaphutha ngokwale komishana.
All religious leaders who were sent summons were given the same summons and asked to bring in the same documents, and then all were asked the same basic questions. The greater majority of summoned pastors and religious leaders, except for Pastor Chris from Nigeria, Prophet Mbiza, aka Kadebe, and Prophet Motsoeneng, who is popularly known as Prophet Mboro, everyone honored the notices except for those three.
CRL inabe yathi enxusa nomabonakude iSoweto TV ukuthi igweme ukunikeza labafundisi ngentuba yokuzikhangisa kumabonakude ngoba kukholakala ukuthi labafundisi baphinde basebenzisa amagama anohlebane bukhoma kumabonakude.
I've told Soweto TV this. If it is preaching, it's a sermon, my name shouldn't be there. But every 5 minutes, Mkhwanazi-Xaluva. It's out of hand now. You can't be given platform after platform to insult me, humiliate me, intimidate me, incite his followers to harm me.
Le komishana iqinisekisile ukuthi kusukela manje kuyaphambili bonke abafundisi abatholakala bephambuka okuzobehlela ukubhekana nejele ikakhulukazi labo sebephule nengalo yomthetho amahlandla. Sakhile Sithole wezindaba zeSoweto TV eBramfontein.